The essential ingredients for making pastry include flour, cold butter, sugar, salt, and cold water. Each ingredient plays a specific role in achieving the desired pastry texture and flavor. Accurate measurements of each ingredient are crucial for a successful pastry outcome. Using cold butter and cold water is important for maintaining the pastry's flakiness. The initial step involves combining dry ingredients, flour, sugar, and salt. Cold butter is then cut into the dry mixture using a fork or pastry cutter. This process continues until the mixture achieves a crumbly texture. Cold water is gradually added, 1 tablespoon at a time. The mixing continues until the dough just comes together. After forming, dough is shaped into a ball and carefully wrapped in plastic. The wrapped dough is then placed in the refrigerator for chilling. Chilling the dough is crucial for at least 30 minutes. This process relaxes the gluten and prevents excessive shrinkage during baking. Chilled dough is rolled out on a lightly floured surface to prevent sticking. Circles, approximately 4 inches wide, are cut from the rolled dough. These dough circles are carefully placed into muffin tin cups. The dough is fitted to form tart shells, ensuring even distribution. Care is taken to avoid tears or perforations in the dough during the fitting process. The filling requires brown sugar to provide sweetness and a rich molasses flavor. Corn syrup or maple syrup contributes to the filling's smooth texture and adds moisture. Melted butter enhances the overall flavor and richness of the filling. Vanilla extract is added to enhance the other flavors, while vinegar or lemon juice provides a touch of acidity. The filling preparation starts with combining key ingredients in a bowl. These ingredients include brown sugar, corn syrup, and melted butter. An egg, vanilla extract, and vinegar are also added to the mixture. The ingredients are then thoroughly whisked together until well combined. Raisins or chopped pecans can be stirred in for added flavor and texture. This allows for customization of the filling according to preference. Tart shells are filled approximately 2/3 full with the prepared filling. The filled tarts are then placed in a preheated oven set to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Baking time ranges from 18 to 22 minutes, depending on the oven. The tarts are done when the filling is bubbly and the edges are golden brown. Baked butter tarts should cool completely in the muffin tin after removal from the oven. Cooling is essential for the filling to set properly. Adjusting baking time affects filling consistency. Shorter baking results in runnier fillings, while longer baking yields firmer fillings.